Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
That a younger generation ngayon are emotionally immature. Hindi sila pa ganun ka-train to go with reality na hindi lahat ng bagay madali. Hindi lahat ng sinasabi totoo. Hindi lahat ng nakikita totoo. Hindi lahat ng chismis ay totoo. What do you think about that?
Somehow naman yun, may mga may mga kabataan din na talagang hindi nila ma-handle yung kanilang emotion pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay. Aminin sa hindi. May mga kabataan na talagang emotion din sabihin na natin nga antarin. Kumbaga, euphemism. May mga
Drago.
ganun.
What do you mean? Mhm.
Naman
Oh,
natin may
yu
din.
yun nga eh. Yeah, and I think going back dito sa mismong topic natin kasi we just explore more specifically about sa youth. And then going back to yung main subject natin. Um Marami mga nagko-comment dito sa baba while you're speaking, eh, may mga sinasabi sila that they are magaling ang mga kabataan ngayon because they can use social media for them to earn a
Yeah.
living. Or mas
Undeniably,
matalino or
yes.
mas okay they have, hindi yan dahil sa generation, everyone has
Okay.
strengths and weaknesses. Pero I
Yeah.
think I take what Senator Robin Hood Padilla was saying 50-50 sa akin. And maybe I'm wrong, I'm not saying tama yung I say it 50-50. First, kasi 50-50, naniniwala ako kay Robin Hood Padilla pagdating sa emotional side, not the mental capacity ng Generation X. I think there is, I observe, hindi pa ganun ka-mature emotionally ang nakikita ko. Pero pagdating sa diskarte, sa talino, either pantay or mas pa sa older generation yung mga kabataan. And I think that the the big disconnect here is the way that the older generations were raised. Kasi 'di ba sa older generation, tulad ng generation ko, we were raised not to ask question. We were not raised to be skeptic. We were not raised to even say anything to our parents kapag ka nagsasalita sila. And then on this generation right now, they have this parang platform to tell their parents na, "Hindi, mali yan ma, kasi nakita ko yan sa YouTube or nakita ko yan online. Hindi totoo yan." 'Di ba? So nagiging
Yes.
more, sabihin na natin na yung Generation Z nagiging ano ba, madiskarte sa information na nakukuha. Ang problema lang,
Ethical.
ang I think ang nagiging yeah, ang nagiging issue ko lang is kahit pumunta ka sa ibang bansa, yung mga kabataan nagiging tulad mo, sasabi mo overacting or another term na ginagamit ng ibang tao sa ibang bansa is nagiging radical.
Oh,
'Di
unfortunately,
ba?
yes.
Kumbaga
Tama